In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into a pencil drawing. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So first I have an image here and this is the image that I would like to turn into a pencil drawing. So we are going to use a tool called Flexclip, and Flexclip is a free to use AI tool that has both free plan and paid plan. So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and search for Flexclip. So here's the website, click on it, create a free account, and then you will be good to go. So if you go to pricing, you can see we have a free plan. With this free plan, you can create videos with this tool. You can make a maximum of 12 projects with this free plan. Once you are logged in, go to AI tools, this function, and click on it. And we shall use this first option, which is AI image to image generator. Click on it. And now we shall be brought to this interface where we can create animations or drawings or paintings using this AI tool for free. So the first thing you need to do is to upload your image here. So I'll take my image. Here's the image that I want to use. I'll upload it here. And here we go. This is the image. Now from here you can describe what you want to achieve or to do with this image by giving a brief description here. Alternatively, which is the best way, you can choose the already pre-made styles that are here. You can see we have the styles here. And from these we have the anime style, painting, 3D, stylist, and even holiday. When you choose any of this AI tool will generate for you the exact replica using AI. Now, one thing with this tool is that you use credits, and there are credits that are allocated for you. For instance, I have 9,000 credits that I'm using currently, over 9,000 credits that I'm using currently, and this is just enough for me to generate as many artworks or as many videos as I can using this Flexclip AI tool. Now that I have uploaded the image, I want to use this pencil sketch to convert this image of mine into a pencil drawing. So instead of describing the end result, I'll just select one from this style, which is pencil sketch, and then choose the number of images you want this tool to generate. If you generate less images, you use less credits, and vice versa. If I generate 2, I'll use 4 credits. Let us go ahead and generate 2 images. So let's go ahead and click on generate. And let's wait for the results here. And here we go. By clicking of a button, we have 2 beautiful AI pencil drawings that replicate this image. And you can compare. You can see how the result is wonderful. And from this, you can conclude that indeed, these are wonderful pencil drawings that you have achieved using AI. So you can create as many pencil drawings as you can of your photos just using this tool. I'll go ahead and download them. To download them, use the download function here, and you'll get them on your computer. I'll also wish to download this. I'll do the same again. And here they are on my computer. And here you'll have your pencil drawing without any watermark and a complete replica of your image. So go try out this tool and create AI pencil drawing with a lot of ease. You can as well go ahead and try the other styles and see the results. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.